Okay, this is her cupboard, and so I cut them to the size where it will give a little gap, like maybe half an inch on the bottom. And so I use a gum to paint it round where I would like stick the cupboard on. And after doing fixing everything sorry round, I peel the cupboard on the vertical, then I put it in between to just give it a different look round in between the gaps. Then I peel that one horizontally and I put it on the bottom, and I also peel another one right, is it vertically or horizontally? It depends on how I held this thing, then I put it round. So now this turned out to be a mini waste basket that you can keep in the room, or a flower vase. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.